Hi there, my name is Amir Abdul-Jabbar, and I wanted to personally invite everyone to our 10th annual Seattle Science Foundation Deformity Symposium on September 6th here in Seattle, Washington. Through a combination of advanced didactic lectures, question and answer sessions, and live cadaveric demonstrations from the SSF BioSkills Lab, attendees will be exposed to the very latest in deformity correction. We have both in-person and online registration available. In-person spots are filling up fast, so please sign up today. We have an amazing group of surgeons, both international and nationally renowned, doing both advanced topics in person as well as cadaveric demonstrations. Very excited about our upcoming course and wanted to have you all please come and take part. We look forward to seeing you here.